Back from a Pat here. Today is day 2 of my 1 week of sharing with you some tips to really take our gardens to the next level. As I've said before, and I say it again, this year I'm focused on having the healthiest soil possible, because the healthiest soil means the healthiest plants and of course the most delicious and nutritious fruit. So yesterday I talked about introducing healthy microbes into the soil, and I explained the importance of having a balanced soil food web in an organic garden. Today we are going to talk about beneficial nematodes. And guys, I know most of us, every time we hear nematode, we're thinking root knot nematode, which gets into the roots of our tomatoes and our peppers and destroys our plants. Well, guys, these beneficial nematodes will actually counteract and kill those root knot nematodes, as well as many other insects and disease that can affect our garden. So guys, I purchased beneficial nematodes online. I just bought it on Amazon. I learned about nematodes, beneficial nematodes, in my class that I just took at University of Florida, IFAS. However, they recommend a brand called Nemaseek. I chose this one. I chose to use this one, beneficial nematodes triple blend mix, because Nemaseek has only one strain of the beneficial nematodes, whereas this one here is a triple blend. I believe Nemaseek is HB only, which HB covers just about everything. However, I want to just make sure everything is everything that could possibly be growing is going to get attacked. So I got a triple blend that has the multiple different strains of nematodes. So when you order your beneficial nematodes, it's gonna come in a refrigerated pack with a freezer pack in it. And I order 50 million nematodes. And guys, yes, they are microscopic. This is actually 50 million beneficial nematodes here. And you can see I have the 3 different kinds of nematodes. So let's talk about how it works. So beneficial nematodes are safe inside or outside, and what they do is, and you can see it here, is that they are microscopic worms that attack the actual insect larva. So they parasitize the insect larva. So you're getting these killed at the larval stage. So a lot of these insects that attack our vegetables and attack our gardens, guys, they actually live in the ground. The eggs get hatched in the ground, and once they come out of hibernation, that's when they attack our plants. So you want to get them while they're still in the larval stage in the ground, right? So the nematodes, they actually release the beneficial nematodes. They release bacteria from their digestive tract while feeding on the host pest. And then infected pests will darken in color and typically perish within a span of 7 to 10 days. And here they show you what the beneficial nematode looks like. It's actually a non-segmented worm. And here's, like, a lot of us have these grubs in our grass. So they infect the health. This is what a healthy grub looks like. And then within 7 days, it looks like this. So that's how it works. The nematodes will actually infect and feed on the bad pests. Beneficial nematodes are also a part of the cycle, where their poop and everything actually feeds into the plant. So that's also a good thing. So the nematodes will emerge from the perishing host to hunt for more pests. So they don't just kill them at the larval stage, they'll actually kill them and then they'll emerge and go hunt for more pests. Although beneficial nematodes are known for preying on pests in their larval stage, they have also been known to target pests at all stages in their life cycle. So guys, that's why I have got to get this in here. You can see it's good for indoor plants, vegetable gardens, and for yards and lawns. So here, depending on your crop, here are the different kind of beneficial nematodes you can get. I chose to get the triple mix, so I have everything. But you can see if you only want have fruit vines or only have fruit trees is all 3. Vegetables is all 3. So I think for most of my people, we grow our food, so I think it's good to get a triple blend. Here's an example of the kind of worms, the kind of insects that it kills. I just kind of highlighted some of the ones that I've had. I definitely have had ants. I've had army worms. And you guys can, I've had bad nematodes. I've had those root knot nematodes. And you guys can see everything else. Some of these you guys have probably have that I just haven't had. Borers, of course, we all have those vine borers. Oh my goodness. Cabbage maggots, cabbage caterpillars, chinch bugs, corn borers. Yes, I definitely had those. Corn earworms. They did have different kind of corn stuff. Cotton boll worms. I have that right now. I have some cotton boll worms right now. Cucumber beetles, fire ants, and of course fleas, fly larvae. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Grubs. So guys, there's a long list of the different ones. I'll see if I can just put a picture up so you guys can see. But I'm trying to go slow so you guys can see and determine which ones you have. So how do you use this? Three different ways to use it. The pro tip is that it's better to use it, just like a lot of these things that we spray, it's always better to use it early in the morning or late in the evening to ensure survival. Avoid direct sunlight. So you don't want to spray these. These are live nematodes. So you don't want to spray them on the grass in the middle of the hot day because they just dry up and die. Right after you apply them, because remember these are live, you want to water in the application to make sure it gets down into the soil. It says irrigate for at least 1/8 of an inch of water before and after application. So I'm actually going to turn my sprinkler system on and then let it water in for a bit. Then I'm going to put the beneficial nematodes all over the grass, and then I'm going to water it in again, because 1/10 of an inch before and after, because we want to make sure the nematodes get into the soil where they belong so they can start attacking the bad insects. You can use a sprayer, which I think I'm going to use today. Yesterday I used my watering can and my hose end sprayer. I had some problems with my hose end sprayer yesterday. It worked for me today, but I think I'm just going to use this pressurized sprayer, which I think, it will definitely, this never ever fails me. So I'm going to use that today. I'm not going to demonstrate how to use that because I actually, you guys know how to use it. Plus, I'm going to be doing a seaweed and aspirin video in another, I think tomorrow. So you'll see how I use that tomorrow. What else do we have here? So it just basically gives the instructions on how to add the appropriate amount of water, attach a hose and sprayer. You can divide it if you want, fill reservoir to 15-gallon mark, so you can divide it if you need to. I'm going to use all 50 million nematodes because I'm going to use it on my entire garden. 50 million nematodes covers 12,000 square foot. That's about, I think that's about 1/4 acre or just over 1/4 acre. I have a 1/2 acre property, but I'm not counting the house and the driveway and all that. So maybe I have just over a 1/3 acre or something. So I'm going to spread my beneficial nematodes all around. I'm not going to worry too much about the chicken run area. I may spritz over there if I have extra, but I don't really grow much stuff over there. So I'm just going to focus on the areas that I grow food. I won't worry about the walkways and stuff, but I am going to definitely do all my vegetable beds and then my fruit trees I'm going to do. So guys, hope this was helpful to you. Let me know if you've ever used beneficial nematodes and how it worked for you, or if this is something you think you want to try. Be sure when you order your nematodes to keep it in the fridge. Don't freeze it, but keep it in the fridge. Keep it cold until you're ready to use it. Once you actually activate it by putting it in water, you have to use the whole thing within an hour, because as I said, these are alive. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put this back in the fridge until I finish watering the lawn. Then I'm going to spread them, or I might just do it in the morning, just so that I can be properly prepared. All right, guys, that's it for today. Beneficial nematodes. Till next time. Bye now.